And welcome to this tutorial. I'll teach you how you can hide a photo you've been tagged in on Instagram. So first off, we want to go to our profile. Then we want to click on the three lines in the top right corner. Select settings. Then from here, select the fourth option, which says privacy. And the option we want to click on here is posts. So here you will find all of your tagged posts. If we go under tagged posts and click on manually approved tags. As you can see, this is the only post we've been tagged in. So if we want to remove it or hide it, we're going to click on edit. Then we're going to select it by pressing on it. And as you can see, we get the option to either remove this or just hide it. I'm going to hide it. As an example, you'll still be tagged in these posts, but they won't appear in your profile. So hide from profile. And as you can see, now we are it will no longer show up on our profile. However, we are still tagged in this photo. Okay, thank you for watching. If this helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.